Practice 2-9, problem solving reasonableness. Solve and check that your answer is reasonable. Number 1, the Angies scored 59 points in the first half and 56 points in the second half. How many points did the Angies score altogether? You're going to solve and put your answer here. Number 2, Miss Rice is driving 92 miles to a meeting. After driving 54 miles, she stops to buy gasoline. How many more miles does she have left? Solve. Put your answer here. 3. There are 45 students going on a field trip. Of those students, 27 are from Mrs. Unser's class. The rest are from Mr. King's class. How many students are from Mr. King's class? Solve. Answer here. Estimation. In the 2004 Summer Olympics, the United States won 36 gold, 39 silver, and 27 bronze medals. About how many medals did the United States win? Solve and put your answer here. 5. Christine is reading a short story that is 76 pages long. She just finished reading page 47. How many more pages does she have left to read? Solve. Answer here. 6. Wyoming has 23 counties. Wisconsin has 49 more counties than Wyoming. How many counties does Wisconsin have? A, B, C, D. Drag your circle to the correct answer. Don't forget to click the green turn button when you are finished.